Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Bases Loaded Lacquer, 50 Shades of Hay, Braves Diva, Tropic of Cancer, I'm as jumpy as a virgin at a prison rodeo, and flashing some leather, and nail stickers CA350 color F and CA352 color F. I'm using Painted Desert extra short almond nails today, and I'll be using Anchor and Heart Iron Anchor as my base coat. So I'm doing these little tips here on my little thingamabob, and we're going to paint them and then put them on my nails at the end of the video. This is 50 Shades of Hay, isn't that stunning? I love it. And then Braves Diva, Tropic of Cancer, beautiful autumn orange. And then this one is an oldie. I'm as jumpy as a virgin at a prison rodeo. And then finally we have flashing some leather. I'm going to get started. I'm going to do 2 nails in this gorgeous glitter bomb. This is going to be my thumbnail. And it's looking a little sheer right now. We're going to do about 3 coats and then I'm going to be happy with it. Look at that glitter flaky. This just looks like autumn in a bottle. I'm loving this. And then Tropic of Cancer, 1 coat cream, but I'm going to do 2 just because I'm like that. You know, crazy like that. Watch this thing self-level out, though. Woof. And then this beautiful, beautiful, squishy, purpley red. I love this. Stunning. And then we're going back to the 50 Shades of Hay. And getting a good coat of that on there. And then flashing some leather. Another beautiful cream. I'm telling you, Braves Diva's got some of the most amazing creams. They self-level like a boss. And here we go with our second coat. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, I love it. It's like a bronzy gold or something, kind of a little orangey looking with those flakies. I'm telling you, singing on my heart today. And then here we go with another coat of the cream Tropic of Cancer. Like, I love watching it level out. And then I'm as jumpy as a virgin at a prison rodeo. And if you don't know, that's a Golden Girls line, just in case. And here we go again with the ring fingernail, getting some 50 Shades of Hay, a second coat of that. Get some of that on there, that goodness, that blingy goodness. And that, I love this flashing some leather. It's just, stunning. I am going to do a 3rd coat on these 2 accent nails and a 3rd coat on the jelly looking one. Just to kind of bring them up, you know, just to bring them up just a touch. Now, I'm planning on wearing these nails for Thanksgiving. This is going to be on one hand, and then I have to have another look on the other hand. But these aren't really officially Thanksgiving nails. They're more like just fall nails, but just so y'all know, you know, pretty good. I'm going to top these with I&M's Out the Door. I'm going to get good coating of that on there and get them to dry down. And I'm going to dry them 100% down. In fact, after this top coating, I walk away and don't do the stickers until the next day. That's one of the lovely things about making your own press-on nails. You can do it like this. There we go. Here we go. These are those nail stickers. And I do really like these. I don't know where they... I think these came from MJ Lacquer. When she sent me stuff, she would send me stickers. So I think Miss Janet from MJ Lacquer sent these to me. Got my little tweezers. Going to try to work with them a little bit. I'm using the back of my tweezers just to kind of smooth it down. Make sure it doesn't go anywhere. And I'm just putting stickers on the orange, purple, and tan nail, not the glitter nails, because I don't want to cover them up any. I've also got a makeup sponge, and I'm using it to just kind of rub these down good. Rub them to where they stick really nice. And I gotta pick out some more stickers. I'm gonna get this maple leaf here, maybe. I had something stuck on my tweezers. There we go. It's not gonna fit there, silly girl. It's not gonna fit there. There we go. And I think it looks perfect on that nail. That one big leaf on there looks great. The colors are perfect. So there we go, smoothing those down. And now to figure out some more, what else we're going to use, because I'm not done playing yet. Oh, look, they've got some cute little acorns. We're going to use a couple of these. There we go. Stick it right there, and I'm going to get another one and plop it on there too. And there we have it. We'll have to smooth those down with the little makeup wedge again. All right, one more sticker. Okay, let's get one off of this page. Actually, you know what? I've changed my mind. I'm going to put stickers on all of them because I just spotted something I really, really like. So yeah, we're doing more. Imagine that, the girl that has no self-control. And I'm off camera again, but I put that one on the purple nail. But look at this cute little fox. Oh my goodness. I have to put that on the thumbnail. Smooth it down. And then look at this little owl. Are you kidding? How adorable. Let's find one that I can peel up easy. There we go. Oh my goodness, those are so cute. So I'm going to smooth them all out. And now I'm going to top them with Model 1's clear top coat, the shiny glossy one. I didn't want these to pop up or anything, so I wanted to make sure they were stuck down really, really good. And since the nails were completely dry, I felt very confident that I wouldn't have any trouble with this gel top coat. But I am going to put on 2 coats, just because I'm crazy like that. And it'll work. You can do one if you want to do one, but I wanted to do 2, so I'm doing 2. And there we go. Cure these for 60 seconds, and voila, there is my manicure. I hope you enjoyed it. That is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time.